I met an absolute superstar backstage earlier. What's your name?
Is Séamie Seán ó Braonáin.
Séamie Seán. Agus cén fágúil tusan seo ag an Fleadh. Why are you at the Fleadh?
Because my mommy just said I could busk.
So you're busking. Fair play to you. And have you earned much? Do you put the hat down or?
Well, I haven't really got started yet because I only just got here.
Okay. But you're hoping to really make an impact over the weekend. Are you saving up for anything special?
Yeah,
What are you saving up for?
a brand new suit.
A brand new suit, and you're already so well suited and booted, may I say. Now, do you think you'd give us a little flavour of your busking? What are you going to sing for us?
Well, I might sing the Nightingale.
That would be lovely. Séamie Seán led the Nightingale.
As I went a-walking one morning in May, I met a young couple who fondly did stray, and one was a young maid so sweet and so fair, and the other was a soldier and a brave grenadier, and the kiss so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together, loved to hear the nightingale sing.
Séamie Seán,